Yan.
Let us again confess and renew our desire to stay with the Lord, to trust Him, and to believe in Him. For us to be less unworthy to celebrate the mysteries of Christ's love, let us implore the forgiveness by which we are all redeemed and saved. I confess to Almighty God and to you, my brothers and sisters, that I have been guilty in my thoughts and words.
Guys, napakaganda dito.